Today I'm going to show you how to make salt and pepper shrimp fried rice. It is a combination of two popular Chinese dishes, salt and pepper shrimp and egg fried rice. I think you're gonna like this. And let's get started. Salt and pepper shrimp fried rice is a classic meeting another classic. There is glory in this love story. First, we are going to toast some peppercorns. In a frying pan, adding 1 tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorns and 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns. Turn the heat on medium. Toast for about 1 minute until fragrant. Next, grind the peppercorns into fine powder. The Sichuan peppercorn has such wonderful fragrance. Now adding 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Mix well. Salt and pepper mix is ready. Set it aside and we're gonna need this later. Next, we're gonna prepare 2 eggs. The eggs taste perfectly together with the shrimp and fried rice. Now it's time to assemble the dish. In a wok, adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. On medium-high heat, adding 6 large garlic cloves that are finely chopped. Stir for about 20 seconds until fragrant. Then adding 14 to 15 large shrimp that are peeled and deveined. Cook the shrimp for 2 to 3 minutes until nicely pink. Then sprinkle about half tablespoon of salt and pepper mix or more according to your preference. Next, pour in the eggs. Let's sit for 30 seconds before scrambling the eggs. Stir fry with the shrimp for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then adding 3 cups cooked jasmine rice. You can always use leftover rice from the day before. Then adding 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Gently mix well. Adding half teaspoon of sugar, mix well again. Then adding 3 chopped green onions. And more salt and pepper mix. Combine everything well and see how beautiful the color is. Now it's ready to serve. Garnish with more salt and pepper mix and chopped green onions. There will be some leftover salt and pepper mix. Reserve it in a container and use it for other dishes as you desire. Salt and pepper shrimp fried rice has the classic combination of flavors and wonderful textures. I hope you can give it a try. If you like my channel, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye!